Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the E4C token. That is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Now this token is getting at least a couple of very big central exchange listings, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, it was just announced, will be listed on at least 4 or 5 big central exchanges. So it says here December 4th, 12 p.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on CoinDCX. I've actually never heard of that one. Bingx, huge exchange. Same with Coin. We have CoinDCX, Bingx, KuCoin, Gate, and Mexc Global. So tons of big central exchange listings. All coming December 4th, 12 p.m. UTC time for the E4C token. Now you can follow their Twitter. It's up in the corner of the screen here. 415,400 Twitter followers. Huge link tree there that'll take you anywhere you need to go. At Ambrus Studio. Blue verified check mark, over 1,400 tweets right now. So if you wanted to get this token here, and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then on December 4th, you'd go into the trade section and you would search E4C, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have in their link tree there, their web page, they have a link to download the game. They have an airdrop event, light paper, collaboration inquiries, Medium articles, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube channel, Instagram, and Discord, all linked in that link tree there. So it'll take you anywhere you need to go. Now, what is this project all about here? Well, if you go to their webpage, you can find all sorts of links too. Also an OpenSea link to get NFTs, a sign-in link, news, games, info, all at ambrus.studio. So it says here, it says, thanks for your interest in E4C. If you want to read their white paper, it serves as a comprehensive compendium of E4C, offering insights into gaming, publishing, innovative gameplay, smart monetization, tokenomics design, developer introduction, governance structure, and other essential aspects. Now, we're not going to go over all that, obviously, in one video, but if you want to learn more about the project, that's where you can find all those things, is on whitepaper.ambrus.studio. So E4C serves as the bridge between Web 2 and Web 3. Represents a game-changing ecosystem for the future of gaming, merging the benefits of both Web 2 and Web 3 gaming into a seamless experience, enabling game developers to access the benefits of Web 3, which brings a unique economy and stakeholder relation without disrupting the player experience, allowing gamers from both Web 2 and Web 3 to play their favorite games seamlessly in one unified ecosystem. There's multiple products within the E4C ecosystem, but the most notable ones are the E4C Ludus and E4C Final Salvation, each with their unique roles in the ecosystem. E4C Ludus is a cross-chain platform gaming layer built on collaboration with Miston Labs, the original contributor to the SWI blockchain. It is the future of Web3 gaming, where real players who are willing to play for fun and pay for the experience meet with games designed for fun, not only for earning. We allow developers to have seamless experiences integrating with blockchain tech while giving players a place that they can enjoy fun games with their community. E4C Ludus will be launched in the first quarter of 2025. So they also have E4C Final Salvation, which is a mobile MOBA game with a similar vision to become the bridge between Web 2 and Web 3. It aims to become the first medium core free-to-play game to have mass commercial success in nascent emerging markets like India, South Asia, Middle East, and Africa. It can do so because it leverages Web3 elements to solve unique gaming industry problems, which allows E4C to tackle markets that used to be unprofitable before. So targeting players who are willing to pay for enjoyable, engaging experiences, E4C seeks to bridge the gap between Web 2 and Web 3 by integrating Web 3 features into Web 2 games. It provides game developers with an easy path into Web 3 while preserving the existing user experience. Now, this approach aims to create new economic models and business models, improving player retention, simplifying onboarding, and delivering enhanced gaming experiences. Web3 makes it an attractive option and an imaginative future for game developers aiming to efficiently achieve their dream. Along with the other products we have in the pipeline, E4C is the token that powers a booming ecosystem on SWI. It represents gaming for fun while enabling a long-term sustainable ecosystem. With the support of SWI's fast transaction capabilities and Web 2 friendly features, E4C ensures a smooth, frictionless experience for players, allowing them to enjoy the advantages of blockchain tech without the complexities usually associated with Web 3. We invite you to join us on this exciting journey, as we are meant to revolutionize the gaming experience while maintaining the ambition to create a decentralized gaming platform that puts power back into the hands of the players. Let's embark on this odyssey together. So they have here the Tokenomics. It says it's designed for sustainability and creating a positive economic cycle for the E4C verse. So players experience above all else utilizing blockchain and crypto technology to advance the player experience, equalize the gameplay experience for both Web 2 and Web 3 players, friendly free-to-play, free players by developing free-to-play and free-for-fun game economics, strong in-game utilities for the token, decentralized governance, and ecosystem-oriented token design. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about the E4C token? Getting 5 big central exchange listings, including Mexc Global. So make sure you check out the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.